Yeah, the table is set. The table is set. You know, Akalikeche, ne nkora maka no de na ho Philip Len Christian Dior Versace unu were awayo ai denko unu kurucha me kuru unu kufura wan unu the glass self na roboto cavalli I choose leave me leave me let me just take you guys around and see what we got here. See what we got. See what we got here. And you think Chief Priest is gonna stop? This is where I get my inspiration. 30 fucking Rolls Royces. This one's not piled up vehicles. You understand? And that's a long wheel burst. My brother, money day, now you know that. But style differs, you know. It'll be stylish. Akintola. Otundo. And life is good here. Leno to Ebonide. Luxury. This is a Bonnie.
Oh, lawyer, my brother. Lawyer. Brother.
Yeah, so working like it aqua too much. I did tell you. Away my brother, you know, and I say, how much I need you in a camp. And they boy walk on the quick. I nearly go far. I nearly say, good day, Bonnie, Bonnie care. But they Bonnie Patrano. I saw you be. Even the glass.